Hi, so in this video we are going to see the international system of base units, but before I would like to tell you that there are actually two quantities. First of all, let me write a Q here for quantity, and there are actually two quantities, two types of quantities. One is called base quantities or base units, and the second one is called derived quantities. I'm gonna write a DER for it. Now what base quantities are is that they are the standard quantities which we use mostly, like time, which hasn't been derived from something and it is like the real thing. Apart from that, the derived quantities are the quantities that are actually taken out from other quantities. One example of a derived quantity is velocity. Velocity is taken from time and distance, like distance upon velocity is equals to distance upon time. So the first two base quantities was distance and time, and when they were both divided they gave us velocity, which is a derived quantity. Now moving on to our base quantities, then in international system of base units we have seven base quantities, and you have to learn that. First of all, our first base quantity is length, which as you all know has the unit of meters. We use kilometers as well. 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 of a kilometer, or 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Mass has the standard unit of grams. We also use kilograms. Electric current and has the unit of ampere, as we all know. Time has the unit of seconds. Temperature has a unit of degree centigrade. Intensity of light has a unit of CD, which is candela. I'll write candela over here. And our last is the amount of substance, which is mole. Now moving on to our derived quantities. Our derived quantities is volume. Volume is meter cube. Its unit, and uh, it is a derived quantity. Apart from that, force is has the unit of Newton. Pressure is also a derived quantity. Pressure equals to force upon area. It's also a derived quantity which has the unit pascals. We uh, shortly we use it for PA. Newton has been shorted by N. Work, which has the unit joules. Work is actually the same as energy, but it is derived. The amount of work done is derived from the formula of energy. It has the formula joules, which is shorted for J. Electric charge has the unit coulombs, and the short unit for it is C. Velocity has the unit of meters per second, and these are all the derived quantities. Apart from these, there are seven base quantities which you have to learn and their units. And this is all from this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.